Humingi na ng public apology ang pamunuan ng noontime show na EAT hinggil sa lubid joke ng isa sa mga pangunahing host nito na si Joey De Leon. Matatanda ang inulan ng kaliwat ka ng pambabatikos ang EAT segment na Gimme 5 noong September 23 episode nito nang isuggest ng host na si Joey De Leon ang lubid bilang sagot hinggil sa mga bagay na ginagamit sa leeg. Marami ang nagpahatid ng reklamo sa MTRCB hinggil sa tinura ni Joey dahil pakiramdam ng netizens ay tumutukoy iyon sa sensitibong usapin ng mental health. Marami ang kumalampag sa MTRCB chairperson na si Lala Soto at inutusan itong imbestigahan rin ng EAT na programa ng kanyang amang si Tito Soto. At patawan rin ito ng kaukulang parusa gaya ng mabilis nilang pagpataw ng 12-day suspension sa kalaban nitong programa na It's Showtime hinggil sa icing incident ng mga host nitong sina Ayon Perez at Vice Ganda. Ayon sa MTRCB, iimbestigahan muna nila kung pasok ang naturang komento ni Joey bilang paglabag sa Presidential Decree 1986. Pero mabilis na umaksyon ang pamunuan ng EAT at agad silang naglabas ng public apology. Nakasaad dito, to Chairperson Diorela Maria G. Soto Antonio. Dear Chairperson Soto, we are writing to formally explain an incident that occurred last September 23, 2023, during EAT's Gimme 5 segment involving one of our hosts, Mr. Joey De Leon. During the said incident, Mr. Joey De Leon suggested lubid or rope as an answer to a question regarding things that may be worn around the neck. He conveyed this verbally in a very brief manner without further actions, elaborations, or demonstrations. However, some viewers interpreted the utterance of the said object to be an insinuation of sweep, which is a very sensitive and triggering subject. In this regard, the whole EAT management is regretful and apologetic to those who were offended by the said utterance. Rest assured that we are one with MTRCB in advocating a responsible viewing experience for the public. Thank you. Very truly yours, Jenny P. Ferre, EAT Head of Creatives and Production Operations. Pero hindi bilib ang netizen sa naturang apology. Dapat daw ay mismong si Joey De Leon ang humingi ng dispensa dahil siya ang nagkamali. Narito pa ang reaksyon mula sa netizens. Kasalanan pa ng viewers na yon ang interpretation? How about kasalanan niya kasi bad taste yung joke niya? How else would you interpret a rope around the neck? I'm very much thrilled to know. They won't suspend them for sure. It should be coming from the person who said it on air. Mega bias. I hope someone will enlighten him that this issue is a serious matter. Understanding and having a clear view of mental health is crucial to prevent future damage. Damage control. Suspend nyo din 14 days. Suspend din. Sa inyong palagay, dapat bang patawan rin ng suspension ang EAT dahil sa lubid joke ni Joey na sensitibong usapin ng mental health? At si Joey rin ba dapat ang humingi ng public apology? Ano po ang inyong opinyon?